Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, let's tap on it and then let's scroll down to find the wallpaper. Here we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from, so in live wallpapers we've got some animated options right here. Of course, if you've got some, for example, downloaded, the Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, wallpaper and style, and wallpapers which are pre-installed. So let me choose something from this option, and as you can see here, we've got some really dark wallpapers from which we can choose something. So simply tap on the option to check the preview, and if you like the option, simply tap on Set Wallpaper. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And now we have to go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.